All right, so number 31 says if P equals this, and Q equals this, find the projection of P on Q. What is the formula for finding projection? Going to be what? The dot product of vector P and Q, sorry, all over the what? The magnitude of or the modulus of Q, of vector Q. Okay, so that's that. And of course, what's going to be the dot product? Like I said, I have made videos on vector dot product, and they are on my YouTube channel, Treasure Science Academy on YouTube. Check it out. You see how to solve questions on dot product. And this is just going to be um, px qx plus py qy plus what? Pz qz. All right. That is all over magnitude or modulus of q is just going to be q, okay? Square root of q. What's that? Px. X represents I, okay? This is going to be, let me just write on top, px, py, pz, okay? This is going to be what? Qx, qy, and qz. All right? So X represents I, Y represents J, and Z represents K. These are the unit vectors along these lines, X, Y, and Z. All right? So Px is going to be 1 times Qx, sorry, P, okay, so Qx is going to be 4, okay, plus Py is going to be -3 times -3, okay, times that Qy, -6 times -6, plus Pz plus 5 times Qz times 2, all right? All over the modulus of Q, that's going to be what? The square root of Q. And that means we're going to be using the Pythagoras theorem, okay? The Pythagoras theorem to find, the modulus of Q. And then Q is going to be square root of, that'll be 4 squared plus, because it's going to be Q squared. 4 squared plus, that'll be -6 squared plus 2 squared. So 1 times 4 is 4, minus 3 times -6, that's plus 18. So 18 plus 4, that's 22, plus 5 plus 10, that's going to be what? 32 all over the square root of this is just going to be 16, then plus c squared is going to be 36. You have 36, and it's going to be what? 4. And that's what? 32 all over square root of 16 plus 36 plus 4. 36 plus 4 is already 40. That'd be what? 56. So 32 all over 56 can be written in the basic form as 4 times I think that's going to be 4 times okay, 4 in 5, that's 1. Remainder, that's 4 times 14. Okay, that's going to be what? 32 all over 4 is the square root of 4 is going to be 2. So square root of 14 doesn't have any square. It's going to be well, square root of 14. All right, and then 2 can go in 32, right? 2 goes there, that's going to be 16 all over root 14. And that is the answer to this question number 31. See you in the next question.